meu nome é Fabro, eu estou aqui para te ajudar a entender a tecnologia ao seu redor e agora é um momento muito especial, só que a gente vai para o inglês, porque vale a pena. I'm switching here to English because it's really worth it to have this conversation. Mr. Eric, thank you very much for joining us from Huawei. Mr. Eric is a cloud director, and we have been talking here about what we have been doing here in Brazil.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Eric, I understand that one of the things that is key for you is investing in developers, especially Brazilian developers or Latin American ones.
Yeah. So we actually, you know that to make the developers to work with us easier, we contribute a lot. We invest a lot. We provide them AI platform, and also we give them in this platform. We give them 3C experience. We call it content, community, and code. Also, we have a dedicated team. We call it DTSE. DTS means develop support engineer.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can support them if no matter what the question they want to know. They just submit a ticket on the platform. And we'll talk with our DTSE online. I think it's very important for them. Also, you know, we have some program. We call it Huawei Cloud Developer Program. We give them voucher. We give them support. We give them some live online to support them. I think everything. Now we are in the AI area. We want to make everything easier for them, and I think Huawei has our own operation system. We call it Harmony OS and Ola OS. They can develop their application based on this. This is our key pillars. I think we have a good future with the developers in Latin America, especially Brazil.
This is, I know people like, especially youngster people, really want to have a possibility, an opportunity to join the market of developers.
Yes.
And they need to know different languages. They need to know different environments to work with.
Yes.
Cloud for sure is something not easy to explain what cloud is, but certainly something that is very interesting.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Eric, maybe for next, could you explain what is cloud computing or what is cloud for a normal person, like someone that doesn't know much? What is a developer does in a cloud environment?
Okay. Yeah. And we can explain it. Yeah, because sometimes the computing on cloud is totally different computer, right? Because now the amount of the community is huge, because some work are complicated. Yeah, you can't buy a lot of hardware in your workplace or in your home, right? Some developers, like the student, they can't pay it too much to do some application, so they can use the cloud. The community and the AI capability on the cloud, it can pay per use. It means you can just pay the amount of your use to cover all the functions on cloud. We can deliver the capability as you want. Also for the enterprise, especially for the startup, without the cloud, if you want to use some large language model for AI, it's difficult. You can't pay it. It's too expensive for startups. But if now Huawei is becoming an AI native cloud, firstly we call it cloud for AI. We train the AI model on our cloud and make the model better and smarter. And secondly, we say cloud AI for cloud. We use AI to build our actually we can say update the cloud, make the cloud faster and smarter. Then the developer, the startups, the enterprise, all the users can use the AI capability very easy and not so expensive. Actually, if in this year we will release our token on Brazilian cloud or Huawei cloud, then they can use it very cheap and easy. Yeah, I think it's the meaning of the technology. We use technology and AI, especially AI, right, to change the life. This is the way. Everyone can use it cheaper.
And for countries like China and Brazil that are huge, and then access to hardware is difficult because you need to be close to big centers. Cloud means that you can access technology and develop technology from where you are. Of course, you still need connectivity, you still need electricity, you still have challenges, but it's way more inclusive than just needing to be in a big center.
And you know, actually we have our data center here in Brazil. Because you know, Brazil have the law that to keep the data here. Huawei is a company that we will obey the law locally. So our three pillars to support our vision is that the stability, quality, and security. So, as you said, Brazil is a huge country. I think China and Brazil has the same level on this, right? So we will have the data center local. Now we have 3 availability zone for Huawei Cloud. We will release all the functions on our data center and provide the service to the users here. They can use our service with our, just as I said, security, stability, and quality.
Mr. Eric, I thank you very much for sharing all this news and information. I think focus on developers, it's really important for us that want to be producers of technology, not only consumers of technology. Having data centers here and technology here is very important. And also about the summit, all the entrepreneurs, all the small companies, startups that are using. Thank you very much for participation.
Thank you.
I'll switch to Portuguese now to say goodbye.
Okay. Obrigado.
Obrigado por nos seguir. Clique no sininho, sigam o canal e até o próximo Tech Tech. Muito obrigado.
Pai, hoje é dia do meu campeonato. Você vai, né?
Claro, filha. Papai vai estar lá torcendo por você, tá bom?
Você promete?
Prometo.
Quando você promete alguma coisa para quem você ama, você cumpre. E é isso que a Prefeitura do Rio está fazendo. Com a implantação do Já É, a Prefeitura vai colocar 5.000 novos ônibus nas linhas regulares no padrão BRT. Mais uma vitória conquistada com firmeza e serenidade. Nada é impossível para quem tem coragem.
Já acorda no caos da timeline, né? Quer tomar seu café tranquilo? Matinal no Amado Mundo. Comece seu dia com informação, não com desespero. Amado Mundo. Dá pra se informar sem surtar.